Hi friends, welcome to all of you in my Basic Vedic Mathematics course. So we have already finished our 19 lessons. So it's high time that you should have some practice and some revision of what you have already done. So I would like that you take it sincerely. Whatever you have done, I'll put some questions to you. You listen to the question, then give a pause and write down the answer to that question in your copy. And then you come back and again I will explain. I'll give you the correct answer and I'll also explain wherever it is required. So I would request you to take it sincerely so that you can really understand the things and you can really develop your understanding about Vedic mathematics. So initially we will have some few questions which are word questions, not mathematical exactly, but about Vedic mathematics so that you can have an all-round understanding about Vedic mathematics. So my first question is, I'll be writing the first question. The first question is, which one, the question 1, the revision. This is our revision 1 and we will have 4 revisions till the last, right? 4 revisions. So go through these revisions very carefully and sincerely so that you can really have understanding about it. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of Vedic mathematics. And the question is, which one of the following is not a characteristics of Vedic mathematics? Well, number 1, it is simple to understand. Number 2, it saves time for calculation. Number 3, it requires strong mathematical background to understand and follow. Number 4, doing calculation becomes interesting. Now what do you think, which one of these is not the characteristics of Vedic mathematics? So give a pause, write it down in your copy and then you come back. Well, you must have written the answer to the question. The answer to the first question is C. And C is what? It requires strong mathematical background to understand and follow. That's wrong. It doesn't require any strong mathematical background. It's quite simple and it can be easily followed by any person of any background of even little background of mathematics. So the answer is C. Now let us see the next question. Question number 2. Write down the 5 important prerequisites for doing quick calculations. Well, the question is, write down the 5 important prerequisites for doing quick calculations. So you have to write it yourself, right? Whatever you understand, the 5 prerequisites, just write down in your question paper. So give it in your copy. So give a pause and then write down those things and then you come back and go for the next question. Well, I think you have already written the answers. Well, let us see what is the right answer. Yes, let us see the right answer. The answer is the increasing the speed of doing calculation, learning formula for calculation, increasing memory capacity, developing mathematical logic, practice, practice, and practice. All these 5 things are the most important prerequisites for doing quick calculations. So I hope you have understood it. Now let us go for the next question. Well, the next question is, who is your trainer? I would like that you must know that who is your trainer. Your trainer. I am your trainer, but you must know my name. Many of you do not even know about it. So my trainer is, the name of your trainer is what? Write down, give a pause, go and write down, then you come back. Well, the name of your trainer is Swadesh Kumar Chakrabarty. Swadesh Kumar Chakrabarty. I hope you will not forget it, right? Well, then, next question. What is our next question? The question number 4. How many sutras and sub-sutras are there in Vedic mathematics? I expect you to know it. How many sutras and sub-sutras are there in Vedic mathematics? Just give a pause, go and write down the answer in your copy, and then please come back. Well, now let us answer this question. I think you have written it already. So there are, how many sutras and sub-sutras are there? There are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. There are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras in Vedic mathematics, right? Many of which you have already seen. Now let me go for the next question, the question number 5. Question number is, name any one sutra of Vedic mathematics and explain how it works. Well, if you are familiar with some of the sutras, I hope you are. I have already given you the understanding of some sutra, at least some sutra. So think about it, give a pause, write down the answer in your copy, then you come back. Well, now you must have seen it, you have written the answer. So let me write down the sutra, one sutra of Vedic mathematics, and explain it, how it works. And the sutra I will take is known as Ekadhikena Purvena. Ekadhikena kena purbena. This is one important sutra, and this sutra in English is called as one more than the one before. Well, the sutra is ekadhikena purbena, one more than the one before. Now let me explain how it works. If you remember, I hope you have written it correctly in your answer while answering. But if any of you do not remember it, just correct yourself. I have told you that in ekadhiken purben, rather in Vedic mathematics, when we do some mathematical problem, we have to first see the problem, that what is the kind of problem. The answer to the problem or the calculation of the problem is possible when you understand the question. So there are some multiplications which you can do through ekadhiken purben. Two-digit numbers, let us take two-digit numbers, say 35. If you want to multiply with 35, it has got a very special characteristics for which ekadhiken purben is applicable. In Vedic mathematics, you have to understand the question and accordingly you have to think of that which sutra is applicable to it. Here the specific thing is this, the total of the numbers in the ones place is 10 and the total of the numbers in the tens place are same. Here it's 3. If this is 3, this is 3. And the total of the numbers in the ones place is 10. In such case, ekadhiken purben is applicable. And ekadhiken purben says one more than the one before. Now before here is 3, right? Whenever you say before, it refers to the number in the tens place. One more than this is what? 4. We have to multiply this 3 with this one more than this, that is 4, and that becomes the first part of the answer is 12, and then 5 into 5, 25 is the second part of the answer, so the multiplication is 12, 25. Here you see we have applied the sutra ekadhikena purbena, one more than the one before, by just multiplying one number more than this number, 3 into 4, get the first part of the answer, and then second part of the answer is 5 into 5, 25. The total answer is 12, 25. That's how this sutra is being applicable here, right? Now let us do the next question, the question number 6. Do the following addition by dot method. Question is 5756 3489 7256 3192 5653. Now this is to be done, this addition is to be done by the dot method. So give a pause and then do it yourself in your copy, then you come back and I'll explain how it is to be done. Well, I hope you have tried it and I hope that you have already done it, but I'll give a revision to it here, that how it is to be done. While doing this addition, we'll just keep on counting till it becomes 10 or more than that. And if it is 10 or more than that, we'll put that 10 here through a dot. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. We put the dot here. Out of 11, 10 is put here. What remains? 1. 1 plus 9, 10. Again, we put that dot here because the 10 is kept here. 10 out of 10 kept here. Nothing remains. It remains 0. Now 0 plus 6 is 6. We put here 6. Again, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. Put 10 here through dot. What remains out of 11? 10 goes. 1 remains. 1 plus 9, 10. Put a dot here. 10 goes here. What remains? 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. We put down 6 here. Now, in the next column, there are 2 dots, so 2 is carry. You can just see it. You are not to remember it. There are 2 carry. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 9, 16. Put a dot here. 10 is kept here. Out of 16, 10 goes. 6 remains. 6 plus 5, 11. 10 put here. 1 remains. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 5, 14. 10 put here. What remains? 4. You just put down 4 here. Now 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. Put a 10 here. 0 remains. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Put 10 here. 3 remains. 3 here. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3, 10. Put dot here. 10 goes. Remains 0. 7 plus 3, 10. Again put dot here. 0, 10 gone. What remains? 0, 5 here. And then there are 1 and 1, 2 dots. Write down 2 here. 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. I think you have understood it. It's a very simple process. You have to just keep on adding, and wherever it becomes 10 or more than that, put a dot, means put that 10 here, and remaining number you carry forward and just keep on adding till it becomes 10, like that. And every dot is number of dots you have to carry for the next line. So that's how we have done the answer, and the answer to this question is 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. I hope you have followed it. Let us go to the next question. Next question is 7th. Wherever you think that you are not yet correct, even now you are not correct, as I told you, write in the comments box, or you refer to my videos where go through that and see it. I have told you something like visualization method, the method by which you can do calculations very quickly by increasing the speed of your processor. So I'll give an example to do it. I give a question to do it. You can try it yourself, that how quickly you can do it. 73256 58 632 94 326 75 832 12 345. Now this is the question which you have to do through the visualization method. Visualization method addition. You have to add it through the visualization method. So give a pause, go back and write down in your copy, do this addition, then you come back. Well, I hope you have already done it, but the question is whether you could do it through the visualization method quickly or not. If you have done it through the visualization, it's very good. It will take time for you to do that such quickly. I have given you the method by which you have to increase your speed of calculation. Just do practice that, and gradually it will increase your speed. So here I will give a demonstration again at how quickly I can do it. Well, 1, 2, 3. Well, I've done it. You've seen my speed, and I expect all of you to get this speed or even more than that, right? So please do practice it so that you can really do your addition by visualization quickly and very quickly in a lightning fast mode. I'll go for the next question, the question number 8. Write down the complements of the following numbers. You have to write down the complements of the following numbers. I hope you remember the complements method which I I told you earlier, right? So let us do it. The questions are 72, 84, 56, 98. These are the four numbers. You have to find out the complements of these numbers. So give a pause and write in your copy the answers to it, and then you come back. Well, I hope you have done it. I expect that you have already done it rightly, that the complements of these numbers. Well, I will just explain it to you if anybody could not do it. Well, question number 8. First, it's a reminder to you that complement, for finding out the complements, another sutra is applicable, and that sutra is known as all from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10, which in Sanskrit we call as Nikhilam Navataskaram Dastaha. Nikhilam Navataskaram Dastaha. You will see in the list of the sutras that I have already given you, you can see it there. All from 9, last from 10. So the 72 is the first number. We have to find the complements. For finding the complements, right? Follow this, all from 9, left from 10. Complement means what? Its difference from its nearest base, right? Base is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. So here the nearest base of 72 is what? 100. So we really want to have the difference of this number from 100. And to find that, we can follow all from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. This is the last number, last from 10. So subtract this 2 from 10, 8. What becomes? 8. And all from 9, this is from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. It's nothing but the subtraction. But that subtraction becomes very quick here, not to count anything. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 7, 2. That's all. All from 9 till this 9, and then this from 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 7, 2. 28 is the complement. 28 is the complement of this number. Complement. Let's see the next question. And the next number, 84. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 16. 56. What is the complement of 56? So 10 minus 6, 4. And 9 minus 5, 4. 44 is the complement. And then next number is 98. 98. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0, 2. Nothing but 2. It is only 2. The answer is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So 2 is the answer. 2 is the complement of this number. So we've seen how to find out the complement. Well, now let us see the next question. Our next question is find out the subtract the following numbers. Subtraction. I give you some numbers for subtraction, but you have to subtract this thing very quickly by using this sutra, Nikhilam Navataskaram Dasataha. All from 9, last from 10. Follow that and then do the calculation, right? 392 minus 265. 4873 minus 3982. And last 73285 minus 65197. So there are 3 questions which you have to do the subtraction by following the formula all from 9, last from 10. Nikhilam Navataskaram Dashta. So give a pause and write in a copy, do the subtractions by using this formula quickly and then come back, because that will help you to do it quickly, very quickly, right? So please do it. I hope all of you have done correctly and quickly by following this all from 9, last from 10. Now let me explain it. Now, if you remember what I said you, there are 2 things here. Either the upper number is bigger, then there is no issue, just you have to subtract. Say for example here 9 minus 6 is 3, you can write. But here 2 is smaller and 5 is bigger. You cannot subtract 5 from 2. What you do, you take carry, you take 10 out of it, make it 12, then from 12 you take out 5 and all that. That's a big process. But here what you will be doing is, see the difference of 2 and 5, that is 3, and reduce that, subtract that 3 from 10, all from 9, last from 10. 5 and 2 difference is 3, reduce it from 10, you get 7 here, just write 7, right? And then the next, here you are out of complement. Here this small number is smaller, but here this number is bigger. That means you are out of complement. That we say as you are out of complement. The moment you are out of complement, you have to add number 1 with this 6. So 6 plus 1, 7, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, you write down 2 here. Then here 3 minus 2 is 1, you just write 1. Okay, I'll again tell you. Here 2 is smaller, it is a difference, 2 and 5 difference is 3, reduce, subtract the 3 from 10, 7. The moment you are out of complement, suppose here it would have been, if it is 1, then you are not out of complement, then you will continue the same way. You will see the difference from 6 minus 1, 5, then you take it from 9, not from 9, this is not from 10, this is the next number, all from 9, last from 10. So 5, 10, 9 minus 5 is 4, that you would have written. But here the question is different. Here it is 3, 9, 2. Now 3, 9, 2, what we are doing, seeing the difference 2 and 5 is 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. Out of complement, so you add 1 here, 6 plus 1, 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. And then 3 minus 2 is 1, nothing is to be done. Right? 1, 2, 7. Here again, 3 minus 2 is 1, you just write down 1. But here the 7 is smaller. So what you do is, difference of 7 and 8 is 1. Take out from 10, because this is the first beginning. Take out from 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here again it's smaller. So what you do is, again you do take the difference, 9 minus 8, 1. But this time you subtract from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here you are out of complement because this number is bigger, so you add 1 with it, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, nothing is to be written, answer is 8, 9, 1. Again I am explaining you, 3 minus 2 is 1, just as it is. Here it is smaller, we are entering into complement, difference of 8 and 7 is 1, subtract 1 from 10, you get 9 here, you put down 9, again still we are in complement because this number is smaller. We do the same process, 9 minus 8 is 1, difference is 1, but this time we reduce from 9 because all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 1 is 8, write down here. Here this number is bigger, we are out of complement. The moment you are out of complement, add 1 with it. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, nothing is to be done. Here's the next question. This number is smaller, 5 and 7 difference is 2, take out from 10, it becomes 8, 10 minus 2 is 8, this again is smaller number, 9 minus 8 is 1, take out from 9, it becomes 8, 8, here we are out of complement because this number is bigger, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, here again we are in complement, this number is bigger, 3, 5, difference is 2, take out from 10 because here again it will start. 10 minus 2 is 8. where out of complement this number is bigger. 6 plus 1, 7. So you get to add 1 with it. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Nothing is to be written. Answer is 8088. I think you have followed it. I have done it many times. If anyone has got any question, go back to my video and just check it up, right? Well, let's do the next question. The question number 10. Multiply the following through spatial method. You can otherwise do the calculation, but you will learn out of it. So there, if there are bigger numbers, you'll be able to do by this method quickly. Number is very simple, but I want you to do it through the spatial method which I have told you. I have given a spatial method for multiplication of 2-digit numbers. The table of 2-digit numbers, if you remember it, 37 into 5. Table of 2-digit numbers, how to do it quickly. And then 98 into 9. Here we will do it very quickly, but for that I told you, you have to apply the formula. That formula, once you apply, you will remember it. There is nothing to be worried about it. We have to apply certain formula and by which you have to do it. So make these calculations following that method, which I told you, very special method. So give a pause, do it yourself, then you again come back. I hope you will be able to do it and you remember that. Well, I think you have done it. If any one of you could not do it, let me explain it once again. I told you the formula is that if you multiply any two numbers x, y with z, the formula is x into z into 10 plus y into z. X, y into z is x into z into 10 and y into z. If you follow that, things become, this is very simple, otherwise also you know it. But as you go bigger, it becomes difficult. So there you can very easily do it. Now here let me follow this. X here is 2 and y here is, this is x, this is y, this is z. So what you do is x is 2, 2 into z is 2 into 10 plus y is 3 and z is 2. So what happens? 2 to the 4 into 10 is 40 plus 6 is 46. You will say you otherwise also can do it. Yes, you can do it. But if there is a bigger problem, you will see it's easier. Here you can do it mentally. That what? 2 into 2, 4 into 10, 40 plus 3 into 2, 6, 46. What I have done? If you have to do it mentally, 2 into 2, 4 into 10, 40 plus 3 into 2, 6, 46. Here again, 3 into 5, 15 into 10, 150 plus 5 into 7, 35, 150 is for 35, 185. Just looking at it, 3, 5, 15 into 10, 150 plus 35, 185. 9 into 9, 81 into 10, 810 plus 8 into 9, 72. 810 plus 72 is what? How much? 882. So, I think you have followed it. It's very easy, very quickly you have done it. What you have done? 3 into 5 into 10 plus 7 into 5. 185. 9 into 9 into 10, which you can do mentally. 8 into 9. 9, 70, 8, 9, 72, 720 plus 72. 720 plus 72 is how much? This is what? 9 into 9, 81 into 10 is 810 plus 72 is 882. So take any number, any big number even, and we can do it mentally quickly. Just I want to give you one more example. So 88 into 9. 8 9 is 72 into 10, 720 plus 72. 720 plus 72 is 792. That is the answer. 8 9 is 72 into 10, 720 plus 8 into 9, 72. Number is 792. Mentally you have done it. So you can do it mentally. So I hope you have followed it and you will remember it now. Let us do the next question. We have got 2 more questions to be done. 11th. I hope you find it interesting because you are revising the things and you are gradually understanding more better about things. Multiply the following mentally. 12 into 18. Multiply mentally. Multiply mentally. You are not to write anything, but you can do it mentally. I want you to do it mentally. 13 into 19. 18 into 17. And 16 into 19. Can you do it mentally? 12 into 18. Now, if you multiply it, actually, that's a bigger process. Some of you may do it, but there may be problems otherwise. I can also do it otherwise, but there is a very beautiful way of doing it quickly. So what is that? When this, I am writing this 12 into 18 like this. 12, 18. What do you have to do it? 12 plus 8, 20. 20. And 8 into 2, 16. Why I am writing it here like this? The tens place have got 1 0, so you can take one digit only here, the other digit will go here. The answer is 216. What you have done? 12 plus 8, 20, and 8 to the 16, 216. When there is tens place, there is 1 0, so you can keep only one digit here. You will be shifted by one digit. You write 6 here, 1 here. So you have done it mentally. I can do it mentally here. 13 plus 9, 22, and then 3 9s are 27. 22 and 27, 247. That is the answer. I think you have followed it. 13 plus 9, 22. 3 9s are 27, 22, 2, 247. We can only shift by one digit here. If I write, I'll explain it once again. 13 into 19. You are not to do anything. You have just mentally do it. 13, 9, 22. 3 9s are 27, shifted by 1 because there is 1 0 in the tens place. It's 247. Similarly, if I do it, 18 plus 7, 25 and 56, 306 is the answer. 18 plus 7, 25. 7 8s are 56, right? 5 here, 6 here. 25 plus 5, 30 and 306. Here, 16 plus 9, 25. And into 6 and 9s are 54, 25 and 54, 304. 16 plus 9, 25, 6 9s are 54, 304. When for this sort of calculations you want to do anything, you will just look at it and say, tell me, 13 plus 9, 22 and 27, 247, 25, 16 plus 9, 25 and 54, 304. That's all. You can quickly get the answer. I hope you have understood it and you will be able to do all these kinds of problems. Very interesting, very interesting. Well, the last problem, multiply the following mentally. 12th question, multiply mentally Well, 122 into 11. Well, I write here like this: 122 into 11, 234 into 11, 3574 into 11, and 23456 into 11. So just do this problem yourself, give a pause, and then write down the answers of these questions, right? I would like you to write it and do it, because maybe mentally your little practice is required. But you can do it yourself and come back just quickly, right? Then I'll explain it. Well, by now I hope you have already done it. Let us do this thing mentally. Yes, you can do it mentally, right? So if I do it mentally, what will be the answer? 2, 4, 3, 1. That's all. 2, 4, 3, 1. If you remember this, I said you add thy neighbor. Add thy neighbor. You have to add your neighbor with it, right? So here 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 1 is 1, answer is 1, 3, 4, 2. Again, you have to see it, its neighbor, its right hand neighbor. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 1 is 1. Till the number is completed, you have to follow this. 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2574. That is the answer. Hope you have followed it. Here, 4 plus 0 is 4, 7 plus 4 is 11, so put here 1 carry, 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 here and 3. 3, 9, 3, 1, 4. What you have understood, I will do it again. 4, 0, 4, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 here, 1 carry. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9, and 3 as it is, 0 plus 3 is 3. 3, 9, 3, 1, 4. Here, this question, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, put here 1, 1 carry, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 2, 5, 8, 0, 1, 6. I think you have followed it. This is a very easy, very quick and very interesting method of doing multiplying with 11. You can do it with the blink of eyes, right? That's very nice. So I think, so today you have done 12 questions to revise whatever we have done so far, all our 19 lessons, right? So next time again, after some time, we'll be coming back with your next revision, right? So till the time, till you complete your whole course, please do practice yourself. The more you practice, the more you will learn. So we'll be seeing our next lesson, right? Go for the next lesson which is coming shortly with you, and so follow that, and then we'll meet you again. So we'll meet you in our next lesson. Till the time we meet you again, all the best. Please take care of yourself.